Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off or turn on allow live activities on Apple Watch Series 9. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and press the YouTube crown once to exit the watch face. Locate and click on the settings icon. On the settings page, scroll down. Locate and click on Smart Stack. Then it should say live activities. Go ahead and click on that. Now, to turn off or turn on live activities on your Apple Watch Series 9, all you need to do is disable this. And that is it. So whenever you are playing a music on your iPhone and you don't want the music to turn on your Apple Watch, then just go ahead and turn off allow live activities. Now, to enable allow live activities, just toggle this on. And then you can also turn on auto launch live activities once you enable allow live activities. And with this is going to allow the smart stack to remain pulled up when your wrist is down. And then you should see some of the applications that will use the live activities feature on your Apple Watch Series 9 here. So that's exactly how to turn on or turn off allow live activities on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.